That particular box, is it currently in the way, perhaps?
No, it's not in the way.
Okay, let's move a little bit further back from your current position. All right. A bit from the side. Okay.
We really need to take this entire thread apart. It wasn't placed properly at all, so you need to put it underneath, and then this particular item cannot be moved anymore. Then you have to hold it. You don't know how? Because you can't let those hands tilt. You mustn't let it tilt. You have to keep it tight and twist it firmly. We'll add 4 screws so it can't be taken apart. This is the height adjustment, adjusting which rod. Please hold it right there for just a moment. This screw isn't tightened. Sorry.
This screw isn't tightened.
You need to tighten this one. If I don't loosen this screw, we can rotate this part. We have to make sure it's perfectly vertical, absolutely vertical, straight down. Once we've rotated it into position, we tighten this screw. The expansion bolts are used to secure the machine after it's set up so we can fix all 4 corners. Since we don't need them right now, we'll just set them aside. Next, install the 2 support rods, slot them into these holes, and then gradually tighten them. When carefully installing this component, make absolutely certain that the edge precisely lines up right here at this specific point, and furthermore, ensure that the visibly exposed lengths of both the support rods are exactly the same. You can simply push it gently in like this until it is fully seated and secure. Tighten it to secure the rod so it doesn't move.
Carefully push the machine up against this sturdy pillar, ensuring it is securely positioned.
Install the machine onto these 2 holes onto our base. After that, take these 2 fixing screws, there are 2 on top and 2 on the bottom, and tighten them to secure the machine and prevent it from falling off. Alright, now let's install the 2 support rods. After installing them, take these screws, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, and tighten them to secure everything in place. Alright, after we've installed these 2 rods, we insert them inside. Once they're in place, we tighten the screws. Pay attention to this side. Look at it from this angle and also from this angle. It's pretty easy, just make sure not to force it in, otherwise it could be a problem. Okay. Now let's install the control panel, display screen and controller. We'll start by attaching the controller's bracket.
Okay, I fully comprehend the situation and am prepared to move forward with the subsequent stages of this process. All aspects appear to be in good order and are entirely acceptable, allowing us to proceed without any further delay or complications.
Alright, so let's proceed and install it right now.
Okay.
Now we've also plugged in the photoelectric sensor. The power cable is also connected.
Is everything installed?